Ever wonder what it would feel like to have superhero strength? To push against an immovable object with everything you've got? Today, I'm going to show you how pretending you do have that power can save you from stress and tension in just 30 seconds. Hey everybody, this is Tom with your mental fitness technique of the week, push the wall. For those of you who are more kinesthetic and prefer to work through stress with movement and action, I have an idea you are going to love. Social worker Meg Pelka shared this technique with me on the Raising Resilient Kids podcast.
And then I would say for my super energetic friends, they love pushing the wall. So they put their hands up on the wall and they push it as hard as they can. We try to make it a contest like, who can push the building or who can knock it over.
Try this with me right now. Find a very sturdy wall, put your two hands against the wall, plant your feet firmly on the floor and begin to push the wall as hard as you can. Keep pushing the wall like you're trying to move the building. Push harder to knock over the wall. Push even harder. Push the hardest you can. Now, relax. How do you feel? You feel like you got some of that tension and that stress out of your body? For me, it's both the physical exertion and the humor of me thinking I can actually move that building that provides the benefits. Each day this week, I challenge you to try this for 30 seconds to a minute. Well, that's your mental fitness technique of the week. Push the wall.